So over here, you can see that I have a form. And now what I'm going to do is go around onto the view and in design view right here. So here you can see that there are some fields. So you can go around over here, click on the field of your choice. Then on the top, you can go around into format right here. And what you can do is you can add in fill color right here. You can go around onto the top and then go around and select out background fill, as you can see right here. And you can also go around and add in shape outline right here, as you can see, and even choose the line type. So I'm just going to go around right here, choose this around, and this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here onto shape outline, if I were to go around into line type and click on the different line types, you can see that this is what you have over here as well. Similarly, you can go around over here and choose the line thickness according to how you like, and go to more color right here and choose out more color from more custom colors of your choice over here as well, as you can see, just like this. You can do the same with these things right here. And also what you can do is, let's say for example, if I were to have an image, so if I were to go to let's say for example into the design option right here, and if I were to actually go around outside, click on insert image, and if I have an image right here, as you can see. So let me just go around, click and drag this image and resize this. I can click and drag this around, and now what I can do is I can go to format, add in a shape fill according to how I like, and go to shape outline, go to line thickness, and add in the thickness to the line over here as well. As you can see, we can choose around the line thickness shape right here, and this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with the shape fill and outline option to add in design to the form elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.